Gucci flip-flops. Fuck it, hit your bitch in my socks. This a big watch.
What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's 2 Minute Tuesday, I decided to do a DIY. I feel like I'm Lauren Natalie circa 2013 because DIYs used to be my whole channel. So it's bringing back some old memories. But for this DIY, it's a little bit different and it's kind of funny. I figured I would do how to make Gucci flip-flops. Everyone is obsessed with Gucci flip-flops right now, so I figured why not show you guys how to make some on your own. So basically all you guys need is a pair of slides. These are just guess. Any slides will work, and then you just need some electrical tape. So I'm making the white slides, so basically all I have to do is do white tape on the outsides, then green, and then red in the middle. Super simple, but I figured I'd show you guys how to do it. So starting with the white tape, you're just gonna take it on the front. Start it on the bottom of the shoe so it stays. And literally all you're gonna do is go along the top. So next I'm just gonna be taking the green tape and doing the same thing, but putting it closer to the middle on the top and the bottom as well, 2 stripes. White is supposed to be the thinnest strip, so make sure you overlap the green on top of the white a little bit so that you have room for the other green strip and the red stripe. Alright, so now that I have the white and the green stripes, all I have to do now is go in with the red with 1 stripe in the middle. Alright, so there we have it, my Gucci slides. I actually feel like these turned out so well, and they look just like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed me making these Gucci flip-flops. If you guys make any, make sure you guys send them to me. I'd love to see your recreations. And if you guys want to see me do a video on like styling my Gucci slides, I'd love to do that, so comment that down below. Or if you want to see me make any other things, like a Gucci shirt. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I would love it so much if you guys could do that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine.